Me, me, ma, 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 ma. Hello, everybody, and welcome to another marvelous episode of www. For all of you who don't know me, I'm Taylor. Awesome. Thank you for tuning in. Anyways, today I am going to be kind of hitting two birds with one stone. I am going to be showing you, not telling you, showing you what types of things are on my bucket list and singing. Now, I'm not the greatest singer, but if you could ease up on the hate, that would be awesome. Anyways, let's roll it in. Maybe I need some rehab, or maybe just need some sleep. I got a sick obsession, I'm seeing it in my dreams. I'm looking down every alley, I'm making those desperate calls. I'm staying up all night hoping, hit my head against the walls. What you got, boy, is hard to find. I think about it all the time. I'm all strung out, my heart is fried. I just can't get you off my mind, because your love is my drug. Your love. And I said your love is my drug. Your love. Won't listen to any advice. Mama's telling me I should think twice, but I live to my own devices. I'm addicted, it's a crisis. My friends think I've gone crazy. My judgment's getting kinda hazy. My esteem is gonna be affected if you keep it up like a lovesick crackhead. What you got, boy, is hard to find. I think about it all the time. I'm all strung out, my heart is fried. I just can't get you off my mind, because your love is my drug. Your love. I said your love is my drug. Your love. I don't care what people say, the rush is worth the price I pay. I get so high when you're with me, but crash and crave you when you leave. So I got a question. Do you want to have a slumber party in my basement? Do you want to make your heart beat like an 808 drum? Is my love your drug? Your drug? Ha! Your drug? Ha! Your drug is my love, your drug. Because your love is my drug. Your love. And I said your love is my drug. Your love. And I said your love is my drug. Your love. And I said your love is my drug. Your love. Because your love is my drug. Your love. I said your love is my drug. Your